Right, so hey guys, here. I've literally just accidentally turned my vlogging. What's it
At
called?
least it weren't going to be on.
What's that thing called? What's that thing called?
The
button.
vlog thing.
The button to turn the thing on.
Yeah.
I've just accidentally took it off. So as per usual. So
this is a part 2.
This is a part 2.
Be like a couple.
Yeah, there's probably going to be like a couple, but I don't know how to edit. Well, I do, but I can't be arsed. So Isabel's going to do my editing for me. Like, yeah. Click back to the first piece.
I feel like I should have brought some chocolate or something.
So we tried to do it on my camera roll for us to edit, but obviously you can't turn the camera roll. You can't turn your.
Well, you can end it.
You can't. Yeah, you
the
can't.
Camera, like,
you can't turn your camera around on the camera roll. So yeah. Should we get it after fireworks? I'm gonna put my jeans on, but I took them off. Right, so we're gonna go stand up here. Come on.
We're gonna.
Oh my god, all the boys are there.
Yeah, but do you know when we film the fireworks?
My brother's there. Harvey.
What about seats taken?
It'll be fine. We'll just stand here.
Hey, folks, Instagram.
Yeah. Subscribe to me. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Hit the bell for more videos. Because I'm always doing videos. Hit the bell, subscribe, like, do whatever. Follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat, follow everything, right? And this is Isabel's. So what's Isabel's?
My Instagram is IsabelPyro1. My Snapchat is Izzy-Wizzy. My TikTok is IsabelPyro1, no space.
Oh my god.
That's it.
We're going to have to vlog this way. Right. So
Oh, look at that one.
Oh my god. These are not our fireworks.
We're
other
gonna
people's.
vlog ours.
We're only going to vlog ours because ours is special.
I bet they're gonna be
Special.
I might go eat
Ours is
food.
special, so yeah. I think they're setting up down there. I don't see that little light. I'll zoom in and see if you can see it. Them people there with the high vis vests on. Yep. I think they're setting up. Right. So what we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna go get some food.
Why are you looking at me then?
Person staring as per. The same person who stares at me all the time. Right, do you want to go inside then? Right.
That way.
A vlog right now.
I'm
The kids, right, I'm going to be quiet now. Right.
Just put it like to your side.
So we're going in now, guys. So we're just going to be a little bit quieter. It's very loud. Up a minute, I'm on vlog. Wait, no.
I've seen you vlog.
Yeah, I'm on vlog, yeah.
Hooray!
Come on.
Have you seen Katie?
Yeah. Where's Isabel? Where's Isabel? Are you here? Have some money, Dad.
Yeah,
Just like £2.
of course you can.
Thank you.
I want an hot dog. How what they are? What do you want, baby?
£2. Please.
Is this about getting something or yeah?
Right, you got some money.
Yeah, Isabel's got some money.
Right, here then.
Isabel, how much have you got, Isabel?
Take
£2.
three.
You might need 50p.
Yeah, take 3 for you and Isabel,
Give
just in
Isabel
case.
50p.
Yeah, just in case you need more. Go on, you've got enough. Go,
Yeah,
go, 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 go.
Give Isabel 50p.
Yeah, well. I'm gonna go get some food, right? The rip off about it, right? Can't hear me. So, no, the rip off about this is £2.50 a hot dog. What is all that about? Like,
It's probably not even going to be nice.
is that even possible to get?
Should we go
to
inside?
have £2.50?
Should we go in that box? They might have no, like
No,
the
they're
one
not
after that.
here.
There's one after that. So.
Yeah, but that's not open. Oh, got.
Has there been any decisions yet, Pimp?
Right, do you want to hold the vlog
No.
for a bit? You vlog for a bit.
I don't
Right, get you in. Just like,
Tired.
just hold it up and like.
Says he's
Isabel's gonna vlog for a little bit while I just get my food. Yeah. Will you vlog me when I get my food? Like.
Yeah.
So
So,
Right.
I don't know what I'm going to have because I don't know what's there. I think there's hot dogs and burgers and stuff.
I want the cheeseburger, but I bet they don't do cheese. £2.50 a hot dog. What is all that about?
Do you know, you can go to McDonald's and it's $1.99. I'm like,
For a burger. Oh,
yeah, this isn't even a brand. Like McDonald's is a brand.
Right,
that
so
you used to,
I
like,
ordered
pay.
this belly button piercing thing, like magneted, but it's come real. But it said on the thing it was magnetic and it's come real. So my mum's got it because she's got a pierce, and I'm gonna get my pierce soon when I'm 13.
Wow, that's a good angle. Loving the angle.
Oh my god, why are they looking? Is that your sister's friend?
I don't know. Anyway. Wait, should we set a like goal? Like how many likes? Like 15. That's like all your subscribers. 15
I've got
likes.
22
Really?
subscribers. 22.
So
Will you
let's.
subscribe?
I have subscribed.
Oh, yeah, that's
I subscribed to both of them, like your backup one and everything.
Yeah. I had to have a backup one because it broke. Yeah.
Just in case it does it again.
Will you get mine? Get my food as well. My dad said you can have 50p, you know, because they're £2.50.
Yeah. So it's £5 there.
Yeah, 5, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
So I'm going to vlog while Isabel orders all the food. Isabel's going to order mine because she's brilliant. Yeah, we're at Bonfire night, so if you don't know what this vlog is, it's Bonfire vlog. Why are they looking? Can you stop looking?
She goes to my dad's.
Who?
That girl is fine.
Which one? Black shoes or white?
Black shoes, I don't know the light shoes, but black shoes, yeah. Anyway, so, I don't know.
Sorry it's a little bit dark, but it's just dark anyway
It's 'cause
because it's
it's
night.
I don't
It's
know what
like
time
getting
it
to winter now and it's freezing and
I can't
windy.
wait till Christmas because it's like November.
I know! November night.
You should do what I got for Christmas.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do what I got for Christmas haul.
Film it on your camera roll and just send it to me.
People are like, oh, film Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. But that's kind of for family, and you wake up in your hair's all like this.
That's
and
what I feel like. Do you know when like big YouTubers do it? I'm like,
your hair's like up
what
here
is
and you're
meant
like,
for family.
yeah. But yeah, I'm going to be doing what I got for Christmas haul, not Christmas Eve. Because I just think that's for like family and stuff like that. So I don't really want to do that just yet. But
Yeah.
I'm talking right loud, aren't I?
Yeah.
So, yeah. We've got a 5 there, haven't we?
Yeah.
Because they're £2.50 each.
£2.50 plus £2.50 equals
£2.50, one of there.
Keep it weird.
So I'm going to keep it
How
here.
long is this so far? 7.
7 minutes. We need to make it a little bit longer than 7 minutes, don't we?
No, they're working, aren't they?
And when you have a photo with
Oh, that's a bit zoomed, isn't it?
Oh, there's like a light over there. Good light.
There's a light, so we might get a little bit of light here. But
Yeah, they do, don't they?
awkward
We
moment.
can get some good light in here because like there's like lights to protect food.
Huh?
This is what I need to get over, like, you know when you do vlogs in public, like,
If anyone looks here, they're just like, oh, jealous.
Tickles? I don't think you're allowed to
I might have
tickle
a
them.
burger.
what you have here, and I might have
I don't know.
do they even do burgers, yeah?
Yeah, because I've got them. They might just be doing like.
I bet they get right cold here, though, don't
They have loads of jackets.
they? Right, wait, I'm just going to order our food.
2 hot dogs, is it?
No. 1 burger. Just ask if they do cheeseburger. If not, it doesn't matter, just get me
A hot dog.
hot dog, yeah. If they don't do cheeseburger.
I want a cheeseburger as well. I'll just get it same as you.
Yeah, but just ask, 'cause they might not have it.
Remember the ones we saw?
And we don't want onions. If you, well, I don't. Do you?
I don't eat onions.
I'm gonna order our food. Strongbow. Let me have some strongbow. Woo! Give me some strongbow.
It's not even open. You can't. God. Hey, what's that? Spaghetti or onions?
Onions. Oh my! I bet they don't do cheeseburger. To be honest.
Yeah, but there is some burgers if you look. Hot dog's just more popular, so.
Yeah. If they don't do cheeseburger, get just
I'll
hot
ask
dog.
him.
Plain hot dog. Wait, yeah. Do they even like order, or do you just like wait there?
I don't know.
I don't know how this works. Wait, see what's in that box. See what's in that box. I think that's cheese. I think that's cheese.
I'll ask him when he asks which one.
This might be cheese. Hope it's cheese. But it
It's
is.
gloves or something.
Hope it's cheese. Hope it's cheese. Is that cheese? Is that cheese? I think that's cheese. I think that's cheese.
so.
I I think that box is cheese.
Or it might be buns, because... no, I don't know. Well, I'll just ask them when they ask what choice.
Dad.
We nearly got
It'll be fine, just
we
ask.
nearly got one.
Are they even going to order our food? Or are they just going to stand there cooking for 5 hours?
Someone better ask us. So...
Oh, do you go down there and order? I don't know.
Yeah, but we can't go all
We'll just
the
carry
way to
down. Being on here 10 minutes. Needs to be a bit longer vlog.
Usually vlogs like 24, so
Yeah.
we might do a part 3 if it
Might do a part 3 if it gets
gets too long.
too long and a bit boring.
Jeez.
Burger is cooking.
But like,
I bet them burgers get burned
yeah, because I
quickly because they're on that fire, aren't they? So what's it? Oh, what's that?
it's sausage.
No, that's not cheese, is it?
Sausage.
Shall I go and ask Alpha?
How are you moving down on me?
Yeah, I think that's what you do.
Some more water bottles.
What if we don't have enough money?
We do.
We've got a fiver and they're £2.50 each, so for
Oh yeah, you're asking me, aren't it?
yeah, it's fine.
Just ask for 2
And watch
burgers.
out.
No onions. 2 burgers, no onions. Cheese.
Get me a hot dog, actually. Get me a hot dog, yeah. Hot dog, yeah. You can get burgers.
They're not ready. Just get a burger, they're nice. Soft.
Oh yeah, just get a burger. Yeah. Oh, do cheeseburger, cheeseburger.
Double cheese. Look,
Yeah, cheeseburger.
2 cheeseburgers with no onions.
Onions, yeah. That's what we meant to say.
Are they £2.50?
The hot dogs? Or the
Burgers.
The burgers are £2.50. Without cheese.
Without.
With cheese, £3.
Right, what do you want to do? We just get plain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we have 2 plain burgers?
Yes. Got one ears on?
No, nothing.
This one?
Yeah, I want to get a hot sauce.
Just 2 ketchup. No pounds. 50p actually.
No, pound.
No, because it's £2.50. Add 50 so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll just grab this. So we're gonna go to the seat. Do you want me to hold it? Wait.
Yeah, get the phone.
Wait.
I don't even know how you open this.
Yes, love.
I'm scared.
I'm sorry, we're going to have to wait for this to... Is there any burgers at the minute? Anybody want burgers?
We're gonna go to where we were
Right, will you
sat
just mind
earlier.
holding it like that?
I'm so annoyed because cheese is 50p. I'm like, should it come with the burger?
What? Wait, £2.50? Yeah.
For cheese, it was £3.
You're joking?
I know. 50p for a slice of cheese. You can get a pack of 6 at Co-op for like 50p.
Right.
Mind a slice.
Between.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
fine.
Let's go to
sit
that
down.
seat.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I hadn't started eating yet, so we need to find somewhere to put the camera.
Next time, we're going to go to my mum, so you start eating. We're going to end the vlog where we'll just eat and then we'll come back on. Bye. Bye, Isabel.
Bye.
Come back into part 3 in a minute. Bye.